Hey folks, this is Basant here. What if I tell you today you can get the 10% off on all of the softwares, deals or the online tools. Everything you see on the AppSumo you can get with the 10% extra discount, because today is the Tacoday and AppSumo is celebrating with all of its customers, audience with giving 10% extra off. For me, I'm going to buy some of the tools that I'm going to soon give you a detailed review. But if you don't want to miss out this opportunity to get the 10% extra discount, this is the right time before this deal ends. You have the more 20 hours remaining here. So let me show you how you can get this 10% extra discount. Suppose I want to check this analytics deal here. So simply I have to go to deal page. I have to just select the whatever the tier plan I want to buy, go to the buy now page here, and after that you can see on your card the 10% discount will be automatically applied no matter how many tools you buy here. For example, let me add one more tool here. This time let me add this video to page here. If you don't know, this is the really good tool to turn your video into your documents, into your tutorials, blog to post, kind of this stuff here. Let me scroll to the tier 2 plan, click on the buy now, and you will be amazed because I will also get the 10% extra discount on this tool as well. So no matter what is your cart value, how many plans and the tiers you have selected, you are going to get the 10% off on all of your cart value here. So simply go to the proceed to checkout and just pay the payment here, and you can just avail it. Okay, so this is how you can get its 10% extra discount. Now let me give you some of the tools that I think you should not miss out for this opportunity. So simply go to the softwares here and let me show you how I find out the really good tools. Suppose I want to check out the tool that is the really good by the user. So simply I will go to this sort by, click here on the customer reviews. So I'm going to find out the tools based on the customer reviews. So we have the now highly rated tools on the AppSumo all the time. So my favorite here is the SiteGuru. This is the SEO improvement and the ranking monitoring system that you can use for your website. Then we have the Leadstock for the lead generation. This is the Gozen for the AI content writing, SEO optimized article, all those stuff here. Okay, so this is how. Plus you can also use this category filter out options to select and find out the your niche related, your objective related tool. For example, let me go for the best 4 and let's go with the marketers. And now we have all the tools that has the highly rated customer reviews and the only for the marketers. Okay, so that's how you can find the tools here. And if you have already the list of tools that you want to buy with a special discount, then you can just select, search it here and get it here. Okay, so make sure you do not miss out this tool. And that's all for today's video I want to talk about.